Want to add a watermark to the background of your Word document? Or maybe you want to swap out the white background for an image or new color. This video will show you how to add watermarks and backgrounds in Microsoft Word. Click the Design tab. Click Page Color. Click the Fill effects at the bottom of drop-down menu. Click the Picture tab. Click Select Picture. A pop-up window will display. Click from a file. You can also choose Bing or OneDrive from this menu if you'd rather search for a photo or use one from cloud storage, respectively. Click a picture. Click Insert. Click OK. Add text to your document like usual. Changing background color. Click a color. Doing so will apply it to your document's background. If needed, your document's default font color will change in order to stay visible. Adding a stock watermark. Click the Design tab. Click Watermark. Select any of the following templates to apply. Click Custom Watermark. Clicking it will bring up the printed watermark window. Click the circle next to Picture Watermark. Click Select Picture. Click from a file. Clicking it will open your computer's default picture storage file for browsing. Click a picture. Click Insert. Click OK. Add text to your document like usual. Click the Design tab. Click Watermark. Click Custom Watermark. Clicking it will bring up the printed watermark window. Click the circle next to Text Watermark. Type your watermark's text into the text box. Your other customization options include font, size, color, and layout. You can also uncheck the semi-transparent box to display your watermark in a bold format. Click OK. Add text to your document like usual.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.